Is the Dow Jones Transportation Average taking the market to a new destination? Stay tuned to find out. This video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. The speaker's opinions should not be considered as advice from a licensed professional. Viewers should not use this content as a specific inducement to make investments or follow strategies, but rather as an expression of opinion. Follow the rest of the disclaimer, but please do your own research. All right, what up, Tycoons? Welcome to Tycoon Network, where we specialize in trading stock options and providing education on stock market investing to help others achieve financial success. Now, you'll look at DJT, or on Thinkorswim, it's $DJT for the Dow Jones Transportation Average. And you'll see we have a consolidation that's been going on for the last 3 years, okay? Literally 3-year consolidation. And the longer the consolidation, the bigger the breakout, as you know. So we have a 3-year consolidation. Also, we have around I want to say like a 4-month consolidation right here, okay? So around like 3 months. Okay. So when we look closer, we have a 3-month consolidation right here that we're actually in the process of breaking out of right now. So if you're a pattern trader, you can see, boom, we got a double bottom and it's about to break out above here. We can even do a alert above there. Boom, create the alert. So above here, that's the alert. Also, we can see that this looks like a bull flag, okay? So we can say, all right, boom, this is the pole, that's the flag right there. Same breakout level. That's 2 times. That's 2 different ways we're looking at this being bullish, okay? So it's holding support right here that we already have for 15,151, and it is it has the same breakout level as the possible double bottom, all right? But on the bigger picture, now, in my opinion, in my experience, all of the patterns don't really have to look perfect. They don't have to look, in pristine condition, because a lot of times that fools a lot of people. So what I'm looking at is it could be a possible left shoulder, possible head, and a possible right shoulder that's being created right now. The right shoulder could be, once again, in the form of a double bottom and a bull flag, which is going to create that right shoulder to bust out and go bullish, which could carry the market further upward for more bullishness, okay? So in my opinion, that is a possibility, and that's what we're looking for. So you see we busted above our first breakout level on last Thursday, which is 16,153. All right, second level is 17,033. That's our second breakout. All right, that's not actually a price target, that's just the breakout, okay? Now, the actual price target is 19,582, but we have that resistance right there at 18,308. That's what we're looking for. So literally, we have our alert right there, and above that alert, we know we can get to 17,033. All right, so that's what we're looking at in the Dow Jones Transportation. It actually is somewhat of an indicator for the market, so and health in the market and things of that nature. So we could be going higher in the market, is what I'm saying. If we get a rejection at 17,033, then we reassess. But for now, it's looking like it's about to, break out. Make sure you join our free newsletter, The Tycoon Blueprint. Invest smarter, grow faster. All you have to do is click the link below and provide your email to subscribe. Don't forget to join our exclusive trading and investing community, where we provide a blend of technical analysis and cutting-edge AI technology, like AI-powered stock predictive flow channels. We have the crypto alerts for breakouts. We have the stock option callouts by AI. They even give you the strike price and the expiration, along with several other features. We also have the trade suggestions from ourselves, the stock suggestions, leap suggestions, callouts from ourselves, economic data updates, and much more. Make sure you click the link below to join. Here's some of the profits from our trading group. We have from 20% all the way up to 4,000%. Now that's an anomaly, but we also have a couple 100% right here, 500, 160 right here. We also have 50%. So we look forward to seeing you in our trading group so you can get some profit as well. Also, whether you're an expert trader in need of a little help, or if you're a novice and you've never traded before, you want to get our accelerated trading course just for $19.97. We have 3 sections in there: foundation, framework, and finishes. Also having a bonus section section with a lot of material that can help you with the investment journey, and it comes with a few ebooks. So this keeps it really simple, hones in on how you can make money now and in the future in the market. So this is really essential if you want to learn and grow. So accelerated trading course, only $19.97. You want to grab that. Lastly, if you or someone you know is interested in futures trading, click that link below for Apex Trader funding and the promo code. Input that promo code for 80% off. Now, if you don't have a ton of money, you can get access to between $25,000 and $300,000 per account. All you have to do is pay a small monthly fee, but with the promo code, you'll get 80% off. If you get 20 accounts for $300,000, that's $6 million in trader funding. And all you have to do is pay $2,000 a month. So you get access to $25,000 for your first withdrawal. And after that, you'll get 90% of the profits that you make. So once again, click that link below, put the promo code in, start trading now.